busy day for the prosecution in the Lori Vallow murder trial. The former Arizona mom accused of killing her 2 children and conspiring in the murder of her husband's first wife.
A bizarre case linked to extreme religious beliefs, and according to authorities, Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum recaps the testimony from today's witnesses.
7 witnesses took the stand today, 4 of them law enforcement, but the first was Sergeant Nathan Moffitt, a detective with Chandler PD back in July of 2019. Moffitt is significant because he interviewed Lori Vallow's brother Alex Cox after he shot and killed her then husband Charles Vallow. Alex claimed self-defense and said Charles hit him in the head with a baseball bat. We now know Lori was there at the home when the shooting happened, but left only to return to the crime scene an hour later. She's since been indicted in Maricopa County for conspiring with her brother to kill Charles. The prosecution asked Moffitt if money could be a motive in a homicide. He said yes, and that Chandler PD learned about Charles's sizable life insurance policy.
On July 17th, I believe it was on or around July 17th, I contacted the insurance company, and Lori had tried to file a claim on that $1 million policy.
Did you learn whether or not that claim was paid out?
I later did, and it was not paid out to Lori.
Charles had changed the beneficiary to his sister Kay Woodcock before he was killed. Another former friend of Lori Vallow took the stand, David Warwick. He and his wife Melanie Gibb, a key witness who testified last week, were 2 of the last people to see Lori's 7-year-old son JJ alive. It was the night of September 22, 2019, during a visit to Lori's Rexburg apartment as they stayed over to record a podcast. Warwick says Lori did not want to be interrupted, and Alex was watching JJ.
About 10:30, I believe it was 10:30 at night, I heard the front door open, which was to my back. I turned around and I saw Alex carrying JJ, and JJ was asleep and his head was on his shoulder.
And Alex carried him in the house?
Yes.
Did you see where Alex went?
He took him upstairs and put him in bed.
And JJ was never seen again until authorities found him and his sister Tylee dead in the backyard of Lori's husband, Chad Daybell. A Rexburg police detective also testified this afternoon. The jury saw body cam footage of RPD's interaction with Lori Vallow in late November of 2019, when police say she lied about JJ's whereabouts.
This was kind of weird.
It's very weird. I've had to move around a lot. When my brother's sister and killed me, my brother was here. Obviously, he's kind of my protector. My other brother that was in with my husband, he was trying to kill my children life insurance.
Other witnesses included JJ's former babysitter, the principal of the elementary school he attended for 2 weeks, an intelligence analyst with the FBI, and a Fremont County Sheriff's detective. There have been 18 witnesses called by the prosecution so far. Now, things seem to be moving quickly as far as witnesses, and again, we haven't seen too much cross-examination. Trial is off for tomorrow. Court will be back in session on Monday. In the newsroom, I'm Justin Lum for Fox 10 Investigates.
To hear more of today's audio from the courtroom and watch any of Justin's reports over the last 2 weeks, we have it all posted on our website. Just scan that QR code there on your screen or head to fox10phoenix.com/Vallow.